Perfect. Now, ain't this a beautiful way to start your morning? Good morning, good people, and welcome to the How To channel. Have you ever woke up in the morning only to be greeted by this completely flat tire? Now, sometime yesterday during the day, as you can see right here, I ran on to something on the side of the road and it got cutted completely right here. Now, because this is a little bit bigger cut, I will have to go to the mechanical to fix it, but in order to move my car, I have to pump some air into this tire. Now, if you go to the back of your car and pop this truck, 99% of all cars have this electronic air pump right here in the spare parts. And let's see what we have here inside. Take out these cables. This hose goes right here to this tire intake vent. Just make sure you have it tight enough. And this other part goes right into your car. Again, 99% of the cars are equipped with this electronic output, and basically just put that plug right in there. Now, in order for this to work at full capacity, you need to run your car. Okay, once you have your car running, just press this on button right here. As you can see, it's pretty loud and it's jumping all around. So it will be best to hold it in your hand. I will shut it off for a minute just to explain to you. Right here you have an air intake meter. On this scale you can see how much air you have in your tire. So basically here you can always check how much air did you put in your tire. And if you take a look right here on this reservoir, there's always a measurement right here. How much air do you need in your tires? For example, when there's a 3-person in a car, you need 2.5 bars on the front, 2.4 on the back. When there's more person on the car, you need 2.5 and 3 or 250, 300. So right now we are very low, as you can see, very low. So we need to come to 2.3, let's say, in order to move this car safely. So just turn it on and wait 5 minutes, I think. Okay, we still have a little bit more to go, but just to check, you see now how big this gap is when this tire is full of air. So basically there is no way I can fix this with the injection. I need to go to the mechanical to fix this with something else. Basically this is the whole process of inflating your tire by using this small air compressor. As you can hear, it's still pumping out air pretty good, so I need to inflate it a little bit more and run to the mechanical. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.